Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte is not simply a romance. It is a psychological tragedy examining the destructive power of pride, the corrosive nature of revenge, the rigidity of class system, the possibility of redemption. The novel is set in the late 18th and early 19th century on the isolated Yorkshire moor of northern England. The story revolves around two houses. Wuthering Heights harsh, exposed, wild. Thrushcross Grange élégant, refined, cultivated. The story plot. Monsieur Earnshaw bring home an orphan boy, Heathcliff, to Wuthering Heights. H.I.S. son Hindley ressent the newcomer, while his daughter Catherine Earnshaw form a deep, almost mystical bond with him. After Monsieur Earnshaw's death, Hindley dégradé Heathcliff to servant status. Catherine grow torn between her passionate love for Heathcliff and her desire for social advancement. She marry Edgar Linton of Thrushcross Grange, believing Heathcliff beneath her status. Too she famously declaré, I am Heathcliff. Heartbroken, Heathcliff disappear and returns wealthy, determined to exact revenge. Ruin Hindley, marry Edgar's sister Isabella Linton spitefully, and torment both household. Catherine, emotionally fractured, dies after childbirth. The second half shift to the next generation, Catherine's daughter, also Catherine, often called Cathy, Hindley's son Arton Earnshaw, and Heathcliff's fry son Linton Heathcliff. Heathcliff manipulate their lives to secure ownership of both estates. Yet I grow haunted by Catherine's memory, et loses appetite for vengeance. Ultimately, young Cathy and Arton fall in love, healing the rift between the two houses. Heathcliff dies consumed by longing for Catherine. Peace returns to the moor. The narrative structure is layered. Monsieur Lockwood, attenant at Thrushcross Grange, narrates the Houte story. The inner story is told by Nellie Dean, the long-time housekeeper of both households. The novel span two generations and explore love, revenge, class conflict, cruelty, and redemption. The first generation represent destructive obsession. The second generation represent healing and renewal. And on the lonely moor, love and death become inseparable. If you like video at this, kindly subscribe to our channel to enable you receive notification each time we upload a new video for your enjoyment. Basic storyline of the book. Un Heathcliff's arrival. Monsieur Earnshaw, owner of Wuthering Heights, adopt a mysterious orphan boy named Heathcliff. H.I.S. children. Hindley Earnshaw. Catherine Earnshaw. Catherine and Heathcliff forment un intense émotionnel bond. Hindley, however, gros jaloux and resentful. After Monsieur Earnshaw's death, Hindley inherits the estate and degrade Heathcliff to the status of a servant. 2. Catherine's choice. Catherine falls in love with Heathcliff but chooses to marry Edgar Linton, a wealthy gentleman from Thrushcross Grange, because he offers social advancement. Heathcliff overhears Catherine saying it would degrade her to marry him. Heartbroken, he disappears. 3. Heathcliff's return and revenge. Heathcliff returns years later, mysteriously wealthy and refined. H.I.S. goes revenge. Ruin Hindley financially and takes ownership of Wuthering Heights. Marry Edgar's sister Isabella Linton out of spite. Emotionally torment Catherine. Catherine become mentally unstable and dies after giving birth to her daughter, also named Catherine, Cathy Linton. Heathcliff is devastated and obsessed with her memory. 4. The second generation. Heathcliff continue revenge by manipulating the younger generation. H.I.S. cyclise son Linton Heathcliff. Catherine, Cathy Linton. Hindley's son Arton Earnshaw. Et force Cathy to marry Linton so et quand inherit Thrushcross Grange after Edgar's death. Linton dies soon after. Heathcliff now control both estates. Arton, originally heir to Wuthering Heights, has been raised uneducated and humiliated by Heathcliff. 5. Redemption and peace. Cathy eventually befriend Arton. She teach him to read and soften him. They fall in love. Heathcliff become increasingly haunted by vision of Catherine. H.I.S. obsession consume him. He loses interest in revenge and dies mysteriously, seemingly reunited spiritually with Catherine. Cathy and Arton plan to marry and move to Thrushcross Grange, Ending the Cycle of Hatred. Major Conflict and Tear Resolution in the Book. 1. Conflict, Hindley vs Heathcliff, jalousie et classe rivalry. Cause, Hindley ressent Heathcliff fort replacé niminis fateres affection. Développement. Hindley abuse Heathcliff. Heathcliff late destroy Hindley financially. Résolution. Hindley dies in poverty and alcoholism. Heathcliff takes Wuthering Heights. The conflict ends with Hindley's downfall belief generational damage, Arton s suffering. 2. Conflict, Catherine vs herself, love vs social status. Cause, Catherine love Heathcliff but désiré wealth and social respectability. Développement. Marie Edgar for status. Emotional turmoil tears her apart. Résolution. Catherine's psychological breakdown. She dies shortly after childbirth. The conflict is never fully resolved in life, it becomes spiritual through Heathcliff's obsession. 3. Conflict, Heathcliff vs Edgar Linton, passion vs civility. Cause, Catherine's divided love. Développement. Heathcliff humiliate Edgar. Emotional warfare between them. Isabella's mariage ad tension. Résolution. Catherine's death separate them permanently. Edgar lives peacefully raising Cathy. Edgar dies dignifié, Heathcliff inherit his property through manipulation. 4. Conflict. Heathcliff vs Society, Outcast vs Class Structure. Cause, Heathcliff has a known origin and low status. Développement. Treated à inferior. Gain wealth to gain power. Résolution. Et HIF social dominance bu romain emotionally anti. HIS revenge does not bring happiness. Ultimately, they end this battle against society. 5. Conflict, Heathcliff vs Isabella, abusive mariage. Cause, Isabella's naïve romanticisme. Développement. Heathcliff mistreat her. She suffer and flees. Résolution. Isabella escape and raise Linton alone. She dies years later. Heathcliff gain custody of Linton. 6. Conflict, Heathcliff vs Arton, revenge on the innocent. Cause, Arton is Hindley's son. Développement. Heathcliff dénie him éducation. Keeps him degraded. Résolution. Cathy éducate Arton. Arton regain dignity. Love is the damage. 7. Conflict, Cathy vs Heathcliff, freedom vs control. Cause, Heathcliff force her mariage to Linton. Développement. Cathy ressent emprisonnement. Emotional suffering. Résolution. Linton dies. Heathcliff lose interest in cruelty. Cathy find love with Arton. 8. Central conflict, love vs revenge. The core theme of the novel. Heathcliff choose revenge instead of healing. Résolution. Revenge destroy nearly everyone. Only the second generation choose forgiveness. Love, Cathy et Arton, restore peace. Final conclusion of the story. Heathcliff dies obsessed with Catherine. Cathy and Arton prepare to marry. The violent past is buried. Literally and symbolically. Nature returns to calm. The cycle of revenge ends. The novel closes with a sense of airy peace. Heathcliff and Catherine are rumored to wander the moor together, suggesting tale of transcendence. The novel has 34 chapters, originally published in 2 volumes, 1847. ETS narrative is framed and non-linear, relying on memory and testimony, which deepens ETS psychological complexity. We took our time to split it into 4 parts for your reading convenience. Chapter 1 to 8, Chapter 9 to 15, Chapter 16 to 24 and Chapter 25 to 34. Each of these are classified à par 1, par 2, par 3, and par 4 of the book Wuthering Heights by Emily. Search our video for your enjoyment. If you like video at this, kindly subscribe to our channel to enable you receive notification each time we upload a new video for your enjoyment. You are welcome to drop a list of books you will want us to read with you in our channel. Thank you.